Hi, I am Ben House, and I'm in the Computer Science and Software Engineering class here at Gullick High School. So in this video, I am going to show you one of the projects that we've been working on in class, which is a little thing with Sphero bolts, which is this little thing over here, where we try to program them to run through a little maze that we had set up on the floor. So throughout the maze, you can see this dot right here. There are different checkpoints. So this one would be a color one, where we would have to have the LED screen, LED panel on top of the bolt show the color red. Then this one over here is a sound checkpoint where we would have to have it play a sound. So I have my video over here. That's me. Then over here I have Get Kraken with all of our commits, where we would save at the end of each day and whenever we would hit a checkpoint. Here you can see one of the color checkpoints, and here you can see one of the sound checkpoints. And I did work on this project with a partner, which is why you can see the different profiles in the Get Kraken. So, if I go into our commit right here, I think it would be the blue light, and I open this up. It's a little confusing, but if I go to File here, it should show it. So what this should do is play our little animation, which is what this says up here, and our animation is down here. It's basically 5 frames, and each of the frames show a different letter. It says START. We wanted it to show start on the little LED panel before we started. So it says that there will be 1 frame per second, so this should take 5 seconds because there are 5 letters. And then after that, it should delay. Well, the program should set a delay for a little bit because it should take 5 seconds to play. And then it should roll not 90 degrees, 0 degrees at a speed of 50 for 3.75 seconds. So if I play the video, you can see, I think right now it's playing the little start animation. I moved it a little bit. And then it goes forward to there. And then right here, we have it stop speed 0. And then it should put the lights to blue, which you can kind of see. The video is a little bit rough, but you can kind of see that the LEDs are blue. And then if I come back here, close out of this, I can go to first sound checkpoint, which is right here. Open this up, file view, because it's a little bit easier to see. We can see this is right where we were, where we left off. Now it's a delay. Then this right here tells us we should turn 90 degrees and then speed 50, then go forward for that amount of time. You can see it waited for a little bit, it turned, it went there. I'll rewind it a little bit. And then went for that long. Then it should wait, then turn 180 because it's going backwards. It should add another 90, so it would be at 180 at speed of 50 for 1.5 seconds. So it should go there. And then after it's finished doing that, it should play this sound. So I don't have it in the video, can't hear it, but it did play a sound at that checkpoint. So then I come over to this red light checkpoint, come over here to file view, and you can see it should wait, and I should turn at this angle, speed, then time, and then when it gets down to the checkpoint, it should show a red light. So I'll show you that. Turns, goes down there, the light turns red. Again, it's not the best video, but you can kind of see it. It turned red. Then we have this for the second sound checkpoint. And then I come over here, file view. We were just right here. So now we add a delay, and then it should turn at this angle, speed time. So it should go that way, and then it should turn again to go up this right here. And then once it reaches the top right here, there's a little corner, and it should stop there and play a sound. So let's look at that. So turns this way, turns again, goes up here to the corner, stops, and you can't hear it in the video, but it did play the sound. Now I will come up to the green light checkpoint right here. Go to file view, and then I think this was our last checkpoint that we got to. It should be right down here. We added these little comments in between just to make it a little bit easier to see where we were at. So it should roll again that angle, and then it should go at that angle, then straight down, which again would be a 180, and then it should turn green, which you can see under the G255. So right here you can see it turns, it goes down, and then you can't really see it, but it did turn green. So also, if I come over here, I can load up my GitHub, and I'll log in real quick. Okay, so I got logged in, and I went to the page, and we have it all saved on our GitHub. This one is shared between me and the partner that I did it with, but it's all here. If you want to see this, it's on my GitHub. I will leave the link to that in the description, and also at the bottom of my ePortfolio. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.